So good people. Update. Got tools. But yeah, I finally got the frame on and the roof on. So yeah, coming along. The chickens I'm gonna get looks like are gonna be pullets, which means that they're gonna be young hens that have not laid eggs yet or started to or going to. So I'm not gonna worry about a nesting bed as of right now. Just gonna have a place for them to sleep and run around while I'm not home, which is gonna be this little area. It's not gonna be that hard. Put a couple 2x4s in, slap it, the roofing on, and let them out. But eventually gonna put an automatic door for them as well. But yeah, just want to give you an update. Chickens are expensive. Eggs are expensive. Hopefully we get some chickens this weekend. Yeah. Then we'll do an introductory video. But stay tuned. Coming together.